Join me as I dive into the world of AI and challenge myself to predict how it will revolutionize our future in just 24 hours.
Well, hello everyone. Good morning. It is 3 a.m. in the morning, and I wanted to share tonight with this video. I want to talk about Empowerly. Empowerly is a digital platform, and whatever business that you are working on, we have all these apps to help your business. And Empowerly is growing. We have one fresh tool every month. So there's more than 30 plus tools here. There's a lot of improvement from my other videos that I have posted. Look at all the new things that are added to. We have actually added Lively. Thumbly 2.0 is coming. It's going to be released next week. And this is coming up in July, Emailly. We do have an autoresponder here. Okay, this is the new improvement of Emailly. So there's, when they have, I guess they have added the autoresponder here. We do have an autoresponder here in Landingly too. It's all connected. But this is the newest improvement. And coming soon is we're going to have Community Builder, where you can build your community. It's just like school. I believe there's a tremendous improvement with this app. You can become an Empowerly affiliate and promote Empowerly. I don't want to click on it because I have made quite a few sales and I don't want anybody to know how much I made right now. I will share with you in another video how much I made. This is the app directory. So if I click on this, all the apps here that's on this platform, you don't have to go and find it. It's in the directory. Okay, so just browse through it. I would go through it, but I really can't see very well. I'm going to have eye surgery in my left eye. I have cataracts in my eye, so I can't read very clearly right now. I would share with you what's in the app. Here, I'm going to click it again. It tells about Scribble here. I can't read these, or it's kind of blurry. We have Presenter, Ecoverly. You go down on the list. Everything you see on this background here is on the side to make it easier to navigate. All right, so they added that feature. This one here, Lively, is a life organizer. And right now I created my category with the social listing. These are all my YouTube channels. But let me show it to you. If you click this, I think this is it. Why is it not? Okay, here. That's all my YouTube channel. But if you click on here, you can list you have entertainment, streaming. It's not letting me. Well, you can add new categories, and this is what I have to, wait, let me see. I haven't been on this for a while, but you can create your own categories. Add services, there it is. Okay, so I started with the entertaining streaming, and social media. This is your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, your Snapchat, your Pinterest, your LinkedIn, and more, and Reddit and YouTube. And well, I actually got YouTube as my choice. So you can click on email services, you can create categories, keep yourself organized. You can put all your information, your password. We have Temu. You can list everything here and link it to, you can put your links on each of your accounts. They even get DoorDash, Just Eat, Uber Eats. Put the phone number here. This one is travel services. I can barely see it. Uber, Lyft, and Bolt. I never heard of Bolt. Navigator, Google Maps, Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Team. And this is the financial links. You got Chase here. I have Chase Bank. There's Wells Fargo, US Bank. They got all the banks here. Your payment app wallets like Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Wise, and Samsung Pay. You got your business finances. What else do they have? Credit cards, credit card pack, mobile carriers like T-Mobile, AT&T, and more. You can list your utilities, your water. You can log all your password, your account, your broadband, Wi-Fi, smart meter, home services, your gas services. Then this is the internet TV providers, your insurance companies, car insurance, home insurance, travel insurance, health insurance, life insurance. This is education, school, work, employee portals, Google, PAC, and miscellaneous. So you can, everything you need to organize yourself. It is Lively helps you organize and access everything important in your life all in one place. All in one place. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm just gonna read this. Adil started with Scribble, where you can write ebooks. Now it is improved. We still have Scribble 1.0, but it is upgraded. If you go to the old Scribble 1, it's going to tell you to upgrade because of the 2.0 with the AI added to it. So you can create books, coloring books. AI will actually create it for you. You don't have to do anything. Presenter, you can present presentations, create presentations. You're doing a school event presentation. You're doing a business presentation. You're doing a whatever presentation, maybe for weddings, or you can create slides. Okay, this is a presentation. You create slides. You can teach on these slides, whatever you want to create. And eCoverly is the ebook covers. Okay, we have animated e-covers that move. You can check that out. We have Income Genie. It's a design agency. All right, it's just like Canva. We have Profit Studio. Promote products from other gurus out there selling their tools. All right. I have kind of stopped buying any other tools anymore from Warrior Plus. I don't need it anymore, because why? I got these tools. All right. I don't have a lot of subscriptions everywhere anymore. I have it all in this one platform for one price, and that is $97. I am a Tycoon member. Okay, now we have Scrindle. You can sell your books on Scrindle. You can create your books, upload your books, and I think you can transfer it to the Amazon. I'm not familiar with that because that's not my expertise, but you can create unlimited stores. I used to have some stores. I'm not maintaining them anymore, but maybe down in the road, I'm going to do more on the passion that I have with crocheting. So I do have one that's all crochet patterns in a store. I think that's the only one I have. And then we have here, I'm moving to create audiobooks. This is one of my favorites because I use this tool also to make my videos. I use the recording. I use the AI app. But it makes awesome audiobooks. You even got side effects like the sound of the waves or the sound of the animals, the rain, the storm, the thunder, whatever. And then you have Landly. It creates and builds funnels, landing pages. Here again is Emailly. Teachingly is a teaching course. You can create courses, unlimited courses, if you are a tycoon. Now, I was on another platform in another teachable site, and you had to pay fees. You had to pay monthly fees, and I don't do that anymore. I can just create unlimited courses and sell them in the marketplace in Teachingly. You can become a reseller portal for Scribble if you like. Let's see. Submitter, how do you say that word? Distribute ebooks all over the place, all over the world. Colorly, create coloring AI books. Clickly is like Bitly, shorten links. Voicely, record your voice. This is a really great, awesome sound you get out of Voicely. QR codes, you can create QR codes, unlimited QR codes. I mean, if you go online, you have to pay. And you don't have to pay within Parley because you have all access to it all in one package. So, and Parley is really great for digital businesses and people that like me. I'm a crochet vendor. I use QR codes. I print it. I don't have to pay for it anywhere else. You got eSignly. There's a fee every month for eSignly to sign documents. You don't need that. You have Empowerly now. Okay, so you can create banners, logos. You can set up.
In today's digital world, business isn't just business anymore. It's branding, it's automation, it's content, it's speed. If you're juggling 5 different platforms to grow your brand, you're not alone. But what if you could run your entire digital empire from idea to income under one roof? Welcome to Empowerly 2.0, the all-in-one AI-powered business suite designed for today's pace. Entrepreneurs, creators, coaches, and change makers. Whether you're building a brand, launching digital products, or teaching your skills online, Empowerly 2.0 empowers you to create, market, and monetize in just a few clicks. With Empowerly 2.0, you get AI-powered ebook and product creation built-in funnel and sales page. Builder, smart QR codes to connect print and digital worlds, course and membership hosting branding kits, and mockups, analytics, and automation all in one place. No more scattered tools, no more tech overwhelm, just one empire, one platform, one vision. Join a growing network of business minds, artists, coaches, and creators who are building their future the Empowerly way. Click on the link below this video, and let's start Empowerly, the all-in-one platform today in one place.